Hi guys, welcome back again with me in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Spotify email on mobile. So if you guys wondering what email you are using on your Spotify, I'm going to show you how you can find out. So first open your Spotify apps. Okay, when you open the apps, you can go to the settings option. At the top, you'll find the gear icon. Just click on that. Okay, so here you'll find the settings menu, and then here you'll find the email option. This is the email that you are using in your Spotify account. Just click on that, and then you'll find the email address and also the confirm password option. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can find out your Spotify email on mobile. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.